Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rismadi Rahmawati. My study number is B300210026 from Major Development Economics. Here I will explain about the importance of English in globalization era. The life of human being, wherever and whenever they live, they must absolutely do with communication. They need to communicate with each other in order to fulfill their needs. Certainly, communication is a tool. The only tool that is used for communication is language. By language, one of the most important achievements of human beings in their historical civilization. It is through the language that they can communicate and interact one another and even disseminate their achievements and advancements in science, technology, economy, religion, and culture, as well to much with the world. In today's world, English became an important language as it is used globally. The role of English is for global communication tool due to the globalization era. English is used by people in the world and called as international language. English is the language of pop culture, of tourism, of markets, of the internet and trade. Overall, of various forms of personal communication written in letter, short message service, and email are also written in English. Due the importance of English language learning and mastering of English language for communication and interaction in the globalization era are not doubted. In the globalization era, that is filled by challenges and competition are super tight. Everyone is demanded not only have a high level of education, but also required to have a special capability, commonly called skill. One of the skills that most needed today is English language, in which English has been determined to be one of an international language as a verbal language to communicate. Also as an universal language of instruction, used in almost every corner of the world. Everyone is obligated to wrestle in a globalized world if want to grow up and do not run in the same place. By mastering the English language, people can communicate further, so that the insight in information technology will be more open. Similarly, by having the ability to communicate using the English language is one of the big capital to step in the world and face the technological advances that are always moving forward. In developing countries such as Indonesia, English language has a vital role in all aspects of life, especially in science and technology. Another, it can be used to develop relationships in international forums and to strengthen the link between the nations in the world. This paper will demonstrate how the importance of English language in the globalization era, whether in everyday life or in educational world, technology, and business. Recalling the importance of English that is used in almost in the entire world, everyone wants to appropriate English as their own, either as a native language or as a second language. Nowadays, English is no longer a very unusual thing, but English has become the norm, especially in the era of globalization. Able to speak well and fluently English no longer be an added value, but it has become demands or needs for every people in today's era of globalization. This is because English language influence in almost all aspects in life. English not only as an academic requirement for mastery is limited in aspect of language knowledge, but also as a language of science and technology. It means that English is used to communicate and interact in science and technology. Seeming that most of utilizing terms of English and even a variety of document and technical guidelines for the use and improvement of the device that speak English. English also used to cooperate in the world of business with entrepreneurs from various countries. Job opportunities for someone who masters the English language is wide open to welcome, both in companies or private organizations or government agencies. Also be able to get a good position in that company or institution. It is complicated for someone to gain the considerable big job without English. Increasingly, the globalized business world, a number of local companies, including the Indonesian companies, has entered into the world trade and use English as a main communication tool. and at the age of international companies that enters to the local trade due to the use of English language of business, which became increasingly perceived as necessity. English will become an international lingua franca for at least the next 50 years, and no single language will occupy the monopolistic position in the 21st century. Looking at the fact, the capability of English will become the contributing factors of success in academic and job. Therefore, in this era of globalization, it is important to learn or speak English or other foreign language. Most people believe that the era of globalization is very important to master at least English or other foreign language. Another claim that if without mastery of English language is good, a country will not advance. The conclusion from the explanation, language is a communication device that is most crucial, and no English language has been determined all aspects in terms of communication. Almost all electronic devices use English. Most countries in Asia also use English as a medium of instruction and make English as a second language after their national language. On the other hand, English has become a universal language that is used in the world of technology, education, business, trade, and so forth. This is why English language is important to be studied and mastered in order to able to compete and face the globalization era. Okay, I think enough and I'm sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.